how to use the Legrand plugin Busbar with Revit. Once the plugin is installed, it's available in all Revit versions, and the Legrand Busbar tab can be found in the menu. First, select a language. Then, select the Busbar type. To draw the line, select the Add Start button and choose the starting point. Then, indicate the direction of the line. Now we have created the starting point. Use the same method to define the final point. Once selected, use the function Auto Resolve to link the 2 points with pre-selected Busbar. Simply choose the start and final points and the link will be created automatically. This connection method is ideal for supplying an estimated route without the need for major adjustment.